Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to add a WhatsApp button directly to your Facebook page so your customers or followers can message you instantly. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. First, we need to make sure you are logged into the correct account and viewing your page as an admin. Open up your Facebook app or go to the website on your computer. Switch to your page's profile by tapping your profile picture in the top right and selecting Your Page. Once you are on your page's main dashboard, look for the Manage or Professional Dashboard button near the top. Alternatively, you can tap the three dots or action menu right next to the Edit button on your profile header. From that menu, select Add Action button or Edit Action button. Now we are going to link your WhatsApp number. You can use a standard WhatsApp account, but using the WhatsApp Business app is highly recommended for more features. Tap on Edit Buttons if you already have one set up, or try it if this is your first time adding a button. Scroll down the list of options until you see Send WhatsApp Message. Select that option and then tap Connect WhatsApp Account. Enter your phone number and make sure the country code is correct. Click Send Code. Check your WhatsApp for a verification code from Facebook, enter it back on the Facebook screen, and hit Confirm. With the number connected, let's make sure the button is actually visible to your visitors. Once the connection is successful, the button should automatically appear on your page. To test it, go back to your page's main view. Tap the three dots again and select View As. This shows you exactly what your page looks like to the public. You should now see a prominent WhatsApp button right at the top of your page. And that's it. You now know how to bridge your Facebook page and WhatsApp for seamless communication. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.